night is long, I walk alone. Shadows whisper, I hear a moan. The streets are empty, cold and gray. I search for light, but it fades away. Hold me close, though I'm far. Heal the wounds, mend the scar. In the silence, in the rain, I'll find myself, I'll feel again. Memories linger, soft and cruel. Smiles once bright, now just a duel. I close my eyes, the tears may fall, but I will rise, I'll face it all. Hold me close,